Okay, honors class, the word problems. Here we go. Let's see how thick my line is. Okay, that's fine. Okay, a burger place sells burgers for $4 and fries for $2. Okay, he spent $18, so he spent $4 per burger and $2 for every fries, and he spent 18 bucks. So we have one equation right there. 4b plus 2f equals 18. The other thing that they tell us, Bob bought 6 items. So some way we have to add up to 6. So if you just add our burgers and our fries, those are 6 things. So over here is an equation for things. Over here is an equation for cost, how we got to 18 bucks with our things. So those are the two equations. Use elimination, but I'm sure you do that one in class. All right, public pool. The cost is $5 per session. The private pool, the cost is $3 per session plus just a one-time 20-buck fee. So the private pool starts off more expensive, but eventually will catch up. So this is substitution. Since we know a C is worth 5S, we're going to take this C out and plug in 5S and see what we get. All right. Jim bought 2 pounds of apples plus 1 pound of bananas for 12 bucks. Sherry bought 2 pounds of apples plus 3 pounds of bananas for 20 bucks. All right, so we've got columns. This is going to be elimination. I could make this thing work if I just multiplied this row by a negative and switched all the signs so that the 2A's and the positive 2A and negative 2A would cancel it out. But remember to do it to everything. So it would be negative 2A minus 3B equals negative 20. So this one would be gone. Figure out what B is, and then plug it back in. I'd probably plug it back into the top equation to figure out what A is. Let's see. At Superburger, Mike bought 1 drink plus 4 burgers for 27 bucks. Steve bought 5 drinks and 2 burgers for 18 bucks. Okay, and there I need to make the B's probably twice as big, but I also need to make them negative, so I'm going to multiply by negative 2. All right, after this, I'm going to give you the equations but not tell you what to do. Let's see. At the movies, the Lee family bought 3 child tickets and 2 adults, so 3 C's plus 2 adults, and that cost 55 bucks. The Bender family bought 2 childs plus 4 adults for 74. All right, you should be able to figure that out. Cooper Bank Ballpark charges $7 per ticket. So the cost is $7 per ticket plus $3, just a random $3 fee that you don't do all the time, just one time. So we're going to add $3 on just for showing up. Goodsfield, the cost is $6 per ticket and $10 to park. So it's a little more expensive to park, but they charge less per ticket. So eventually, if you buy enough tickets, it's going to save you money. So we're asking, when are these the same? This is, you know that the C is equal to 7t plus 3, so we can plug that in for this C. So anytime that you see a letter equals something, it's probably going to be substitution because you know what that letter equals. All right, this one. 2 times a number x is 2x plus a second number y plus a second number y is equals 3. So far we have 2x plus y equals 3. The first number is x plus 2 times the second number, 2 times y. We're saying is equals negative 15. What are the two numbers? All right, so you can cancel out the x's or the y's. Either way, you're going to need to multiply one of the equations by negative 2. All right, Joe's age, Jay's, is half of Martha's. Okay, Joe's age is 1/2 of Martha's. Okay. Combined, their age is 42. So Joe plus Martha equals 42. What are their ages? Okay. this is this is substitution. You could say J is 1/2 M, so you could plug in this one and say 1/2 M J. Sorry. You could say J is 1/2 M plus M equals 42. So that could be 1.5 M equals 42. So you divide by 1.5 to get what M equals. Okay, let's see. Marjorie's age is 3 times Jack's. So if you went Marjorie's age, M, is equals 3 times Jack's, 3 J's. So M equals 3 J's plus 5 more. Okay, plus 5 more. Okay, so Marjorie is 3 times Jack's plus 5 more. Okay. The sum of their ages, sum means addition. So if I add up Marjorie plus Jack, it's 65. All right, so you can use, get out of their battery. We know M is the same thing as 3J plus 5, so we can take this M out and figure out both. All right, go get them.